One small step for Sophia, one giant leap for AI. The year began with the humanoid robot Sophia taking her first steps thanks to new partnership with the University Robotics Lab. Sophia visited Ukraine in October to meet with Ukrainian Prime Minister Volodymyr Groysman.
Eventually, we expect that she will be truly alive and with us in our world, helping people on a daily basis.
In June, a robot with artificial intelligence made it to the International Space Station. The large, round, plastic robot head was part of SpaceX's latest supply delivery. Simon is designed to not just help astronauts complete tasks, but also offer camaraderie.
China has become the leading user of robotics. However, in terms of developing the technology, Europe and Japan and companies in the US maybe still have advantages there.
Agricultural robots are also becoming increasingly popular as farmers search for solutions to feed the world's increasing population. From robots that grow plants locally indoors to automated rovers that check on the health of every plant in a crop, AI is being used to maximize productivity and efficiency.
It's not physically possible for a farmer to go round and check each individual plant and then treat that plant individually. That's only possible when you have something as tireless as a robot and as focused and accurate as an AI.
Among the hundreds of advancements in robot technologies over the past year, it's exciting to see what can be made possible through 2019.